With 27 as our new prefix, we took these 3 bits from host ID and we made it part of network ID. How many subnets will we therefore get? Well, to calculate the number of subnets, it's 2 to the power of the number of subnet bits, and in this case, that is 2 to the power of 3, which is equal to 8. We therefore will get 8 subnets, each of which giving us 2 to the power of 32 minus 27, which is 5, minus 2, which works out to 30 IPs. So we will get 8 subnets, each of which giving us 30 IPs. To quickly calculate these subnets, we need to work out the increment value. We took these 3 bits, these are our subnet bits. The subnet bit with the lowest value is this one, which just so happens to once again be 32. So our increment value is 32. To work out our network IDs, we write out the original network ID, but all of these are using the new prefix of /27. This network ID has the 3 subnet bits as all zeros. The next network ID would be 192.168.40. Now we took the subnet bits from the 4th octet, therefore we're incrementing the 4th octet by 32. So this is 32 / 27. Let me scroll down. This will be 192.168.40. 32 plus 32 is 64. I'll omit the prefix because the prefix is the same for all of them. And here we go. 192.168.40.0/27. The next one increments the 4th octet by 32, and then again by 32, so on and so forth until we get to 224. If we were to increment 224 by 32, 224 plus 32 is actually going to equate to, this is 6, this is 5, and that's 256. And this is incorrect because the octet could only go up to 255. Therefore, you can simply increment until you cross 255 and then you know you've hit the last one. In this case, however, we knew beforehand we were supposed to get 8 subnets, and we could have just easily kept incrementing until we had all 8. So these are our 8 network IDs.